Solving is a key that we need in today's environment. Solving a problem, having strategies in place, finding what works. But this little circle is having steps, step 1, step 2, step 3, maybe 4, and depending on the situation and what it is, by having these little steps to overcome these difficulties will help us get less overwhelmed by it. So hopefully you will be able to overcome these difficult situations and be able to feel like you can cope with it. So when you are dealing with problem solving, you are more likely you're going to achieve this goal of problem solving and getting to know what works for you, because everybody's problems are different. Not everybody's going to be able to do the same thing. So knowing what works, what doesn't work, learning how you can cope with it, and when we come to a problem, we want to be able to build that beautiful presence of resistance, of resisting to cave in, to run away from our problems, but so being a scapegoat, not dealing with the problem. So by problem solving, we are actually confronting the problem, going step by step, and basically we are confronting them with the right tools, knowing that we have strategies in place. So A, you could be doing something that could be a lot better than what you expected, or B, it could be a situation where you are wanting to deal with it differently. So it just really depends on the issue. So, you know, you could be, for example, you got a family member who's sick, plan A, and plan B for that. You know, my father's been in a rest home for most of his retirement. So he had a stroke. Plan, basically A, he was not very well. He was in hospital. We thought he was going to die. But B, we ended up basically putting him in a rest home and helping him overcome it. So these are the tools that we need to be able to overcome situations. So if the situation is difficult and you need strategies and problem solving, this is when you need to actually use them in order to actually get out of the issue, or to get out of a situation that you don't feel comfortable in, but you're facing them because you feel that you are strong, you are capable. So when you are like that, you are strong. You are strong enough to actually know within yourself, your personal self, acceptance, accepting the fact that this is happening. This is your acceptance within yourself, accepting what you can't change much apart from solving your problem by confronting it, dealing with it, finding a solution to it, and just going from there, really, knowing what works and what doesn't work. Coming up with solutions can be quite interesting, and sometimes we don't realize that we actually have great ideas. So when you have these situations, try and find something that's ideal and try and work it from there. Alright? So hopefully this serves you guys. I hope you are well and able to confront your situation and able to learn problem solving at a different level. Blessings.